This might seem counterintuitive, but making many decisions together can actually make each individual decision less difficult. When you're looking at all the possible elements in a room at once, it can be easier to see what choices work and don't work in the bigger picture, and it helps to narrow them down. For example, if you focus too much on just one element alone, like a paint color, you don't yet have enough information to work with, so it may feel like a big guessing game, and it can be hard to see the forest through the trees. But if you go through the steps of deciding on a rug color, a sofa color, some wood colors, and a paint color all at the same time, you can use a process of elimination for each item if you consider whether or not it will work with all the other items in the room.